Hello everybody, this is Dr. Gita Mathai and this is my Health Vibes channel. Today we are talking about a very common problem. This is the feeling of tiredness. So many people complain, I'm tired, I'm lethargic, I can't do any work, I feel like lying down all the time by themselves, or they go to a physician or they have a master health checkup and they do all their blood tests. They are not anemic, they don't have thyroid problems, they don't have diabetes, they don't have anything. Then why do they feel like this? What happens is that very often they forget to check their vitamin D levels. 70% of our country is deficient in vitamin D. How is this possible when we have so much sunshine? What happens is vitamin D is formed when sunshine falls on the skin. But people do not go out in the sunshine, and if they do go out, they carry an umbrella and they wear clothes from neck to feet. No sunshine falls on their skin at all. Vitamin D deficiency is when the levels are less than 20 nanograms. More than 30 nanograms is adequate. Most people are deficient. In non-vegetarian, the food sources of vitamin D are egg yolk, cheese, meat, fish. But for non-vegetarians, getting an adequate amount of vitamin D is very difficult. But let me tell you a secret. There is a lot of vitamin D in mushrooms and in cashew nuts. But this is not enough. Children also become deficient in vitamin D because breast milk does not contain much of this vitamin. The signs of deficiency in adults are tiredness, lethargy, weak bones, the slightest fall causing a fracture, uncontrolled diabetes, obesity, wounds that do not heal, and in older people, early onset of dementia and memory loss. In children, their growth becomes stunted, their rib cage becomes abnormal, and their bones become bent. Now, the easiest way to overcome this problem is to take vitamin D supplements. But a lot of people don't like to take supplements. They say supplements are medicine. So they want to do this naturally. It is possible for you to get adequate vitamin D if you expose yourself as an adult to the sunshine between 11 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon for a minimum of 20 minutes every day. This will probably work from March to September, but once winter sets in and the sky is overcast, there is no sunshine. And also, you cannot wear clothes when you expose yourself to the sun, because what is the use of the sunlight falling on your clothes? And sunlight that comes in through the window is not of much use either. In children, it's much easier to get vitamin D naturally. Just take off their clothes, put on an underwear, and apply coconut oil from the neck to the feet and make them stand in the sun for 20 minutes. But they should not be exposed to the hot sun at 11 o'clock in the morning. They need the early morning sunlight. This is because their skin is deficient in the melanin pigment and so it will get burnt by the sun. In order to take the supplements of vitamin D, please consult your doctor. But the dose is 60,000 international units once a week on an empty stomach for 6 weeks. This is followed by 60,000 international units once a month for 6 months. Children require 200 to 400 international units a day, and this increases to 600 international units when they are 18 years old. Next time when you feel tired and exhausted, please check your vitamin D levels. Some people feel so good after they start taking vitamin D that they dose themselves and they take extra quantities of it, but this is also dangerous. If the level in your blood goes up to more than 120 nanograms, then you can get calcinosis and hypervitaminosis D, where calcium gets deposited in various parts of your body and the kidneys, forming stones. The hypervitaminosis D also causes tiredness and lethargy. So the symptoms may be confusing, tempting you to take more and more. You may accidentally get excess of vitamin D if you take tonics and you also take supplements and you also take capsules. So, if you are feeling tired and lethargic, please check your vitamin D levels, and if you are deficient, please correct it. Stay healthy with healthy bones. This is Dr. Gita Mathai signing off. If you liked what you heard, Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. If you have any questions or comments, please write it in the comments column. This content is also available in Tamil. Thank you.